Alright guys, I'm going to show you in this quick video the easy step by step how to add author to your website. You want to add the name of yourself to the as author to your website post or pages that you are creating on your website. So your name is going to show up instead of, for example, instead of the admin right here. So your name is going to show up as by your name. Okay, it's going to be written by followed by your name. So to do that, you want to go to this admin right here. So you want to go from here, or if you want to go from here, go to your dashboard area. So you want to look for users here. Yeah, users. So you want to click that, all users. So this is the admin right here. You want to edit this admin. You want to make it your name. Okay, so let's edit it. Let's edit the admin right there. So here is where you're gonna, so here at your profile, here is where you can change the name of your website. You're just gonna type the name here, your name here, the name that you want to show up, that you want people to see at your website, and pick it here, public name profile as Mike. So I want Mike to show up. Here you can also add your name here, your last name here, your website here, you can write about yourself here, your profile picture. If you want to edit your profile picture, you can click this link here. It's going to take you to where you can add your profile picture on Gravatar. Gravatar is a WordPress website that you can add that give you possibility to change this image here. If you want to change this image here, you have to click here, and this will take you to the Gravatar. You are going to sign up and register your account and add your image, your photos here, and use it as your profile picture. Here section here. So if you want to log out on on everywhere, you can log out there. Application password name. If you want to change your password, you can change it here. Address, you can add your address here, address 1, address 2, the city, the country, region here, your phone number, email, first name, last name, company. So when you finish, you want to scroll down here, you can also change your country here. You can add your country, region here. When you finish with all this, you can just scroll down and hit update profile. So now that our profile has been updated, let's go ahead and see how it looks like now. Well, after we've changed the name. So my name is now showing up here. So as you can see, my name is now showing up as Mike. So this page is written in January 24, 2023 by Mike. So right there. So January 24, 2023 by Mike. So that's how you do it. If you have any question about this video here, if you have any question or you have anything to say, you may want to leave it down below. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.